Today we will make English teaching plan for class 4, lesson number 5, a happy child. So let's start making teaching plan. Above 4 columns, date, class, subject, time will be mentioned. Below that, first heading is learning outcome. The child is able to recite rhymes from textbook. Children will be able to tell the meaning of poem. Second heading is topic, a happy child. Third heading is required material, colored chart paper, material in Diksha app, textbook, picture of poems on chart. Fourth heading, teaching learning process. In this 4 columns are there: serial number, steps, time and assessment column. Below steps there is 3 main heading. First one is in the beginning of teaching. The teacher will ask some questions related to the topic. Is there a tree growing near your house? What is the color of sun? What is the color of tree? It takes 5 minutes. That will be written in the time column, observation in the assessment column. Second heading, in the mid of teaching. Then teacher recites the poem aloud with correct pronunciation and rhythm. All the students repeat after teacher. After reciting poem, teacher explain meaning in Hindi and in English in an interesting way. Summary of poem is, यह एक ऐसी बच्ची की कविता है जो लाल रंग के छोटे से घर में रहती है। बच्ची सदैव खुश रहती है। बच्ची पूरे दिन हंसती खेलती रहती है। वह कभी नहीं रोती। बच्ची के घर के पास एक हरा पेड़ है जो धूप से उसकी रक्षा करता है और खेलने के बाद बच्ची हरे पेड़ के नीचे बैठती है। To make the class more interesting, teacher will show the material in Diksha app. Activity. Activity may done in class or in playground. Activity takes 10 minutes. Middle of teaching takes 20 minutes. In activity, all children make a round circle and sing a poem in Hindi as well as in English. In Hindi, मेरा लाल रंग का छोटा सा घर है, मैं खुश रहने वाली बच्ची हूँ, मेरे पूरे दिन हंसती खेलती हूँ, मैं रोती बहुत कम हूँ, मेरे घर के पास एक हरा पेड़ है, यह मुझे धूप से बचाता है, जब मेरा खेलना ख़त्म हो जाता है तब मैं अक्सर इस पेड़ के नीचे आ जाती हूँ। थर्ड हेडिंग, एंड ऑफ टीचिंग. Teacher asks questions related to the poem. What is the color of happy child house? What shades the child from the sun? Below that, homework or assignment. घर से याद करो. Word meaning will be given. Last heading is next teaching process. Teacher will continue to work on the chapter next day also and cover all the questions and answer from it. Thank you.